Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Messages and locating the conversation that contains the voice memo. Tap into the thread and scroll until you see the specific audio bubble. Once you find it, long press the bubble to bring up the action menu. This reveals options like Copy, More, and Delete. Make sure you're selecting the correct voice message because the next actions remove it from the thread itself. If messages are grouped, expand the group to isolate the exact clip you want to delete. Once the action menu appears, tap More to enter selection mode. This lets you pick one or multiple voice messages. You should see circles appear beside messages. Tap the circle adjacent to each audio clip you want removed. After selecting, use the trash icon at the bottom left or bottom right, depending on iOS, to delete. Confirm delete message when prompted to finalize removal. This removes the item from the conversation thread, but not necessarily from backup. To finish, make sure the voice message isn't lingering in recently deleted or backed up to iCloud. If you use the Voice Memos app or Messages recently deleted folder, open it and permanently delete the file there. Otherwise, it may be recoverable. Once done, make sure to toggle iCloud messages or backup settings if you need it removed from cloud archives. If the message reappears or you can't delete it, restart your iPhone and repeat the selection and delete steps to clear any temporary sync issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.